You are towing a heavy load up a steep grade in your diesel truck when suddenly the engine completely loses its guts. Thick black smoke starts billowing out of your tailpipe, and your dash lights up with a check engine warning. If your diagnostic scanner pulls a code P200F, you are dealing with a catalyst system over temperature condition on bank 2. Bank 2 simply refers to the side of the engine block that does not contain cylinder number 1. To understand why your truck is suddenly running so terribly, you have to look at the incredibly complex exhaust system underneath it. Modern diesels use a selective catalytic reduction system, or ESCR, which acts like a miniature chemical plant right in your exhaust pipe. It precisely injects diesel exhaust fluid, commonly known as DEFF, to superheat the filtration element and burn off harmful soot particles before they reach the atmosphere. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, constantly monitors the temperature of this oven using dedicated exhaust temperature sensors. When the computer sees that the temperature on bank 2 has skyrocketed way past the safe maximum limit, it throws this code and immediately dials back your engine power to prevent the extremely expensive catalytic converter from literally melting itself from the inside out. This is a highly severe issue that you cannot ignore. The very first thing you need to do is check your diesel exhaust fluid tank to make absolutely sure it is full and contains the correct, uncontaminated fluid. Next, grab a creeper and do a meticulous visual inspection of the exhaust pipes before the catalytic converter. A blown exhaust gasket or a cracked pipe will draw in raw oxygen, creating a blowtorch effect that drastically spikes the temperatures. If the pipes are sealed tight, look very closely at the wiring harnesses connecting to your exhaust temperature sensors and nitrogen oxide sensors. Because they live inches away from blistering heat, the wires frequently melt together or chafe against the frame, causing a dead short. If the wiring looks completely pristine, you can use an infrared thermometer to manually check the temperature of the exhaust pipe right before and right after the catalytic converter while the engine is running. Compare your manual readings to the live data on your scanner. If a sensor is lying to the computer and reporting a massive temperature that does not actually exist, you will need to test its resistance with a digital volt ohm meter and likely thread in a brand new sensor.